Hello and welcome back to my channel, and now in this video I'm going to be doing the organising of the shelves. So I've taken everything out. That's right, you saw all that stuff at the side of the bed. The shelves are in pretty bad shape. I've never really even painted these shelves since I've moved into this property, so I do need to give it a clean, and I also need to repaint, and then I will show you the storage ideas that I have and the things I got from Amazon to help me with that. So after giving these shelves a wipe down, I'm just going in with some wood paint and in brilliant whites, and I'm just going to be painting it white. So I got these large capacity storage baskets. They're in canvas fabric, nice blue and white, going with the theme of the bedroom. They have a drawstring as well, top lid. They've got these lovely leather handles, obviously not real leather, but leather style handles, brown, and they're waterproof as well. So the capacity is 70 litres and it measures 56 centimetres by 38 centimetres by 33 centimetres, and I'll definitely put a link down below for those. So these are smaller storage boxes and they come in a pack of 3, and again they have the leather style handle. So I bought 2 packs of these, and they come in different colours. I got the white ones. Easy to put up and easy to put away, and again you've got that waterproof lining. It's easy to clean, just wipe. So yeah, so I can leave links down below for these pack of 3 as well. So now it's time to put all the storage boxes with all of the things now back on the shelves and just make everything look nice and neat. So I can't wait to show you that. So now it's gone to the evening. I've had to sort out all the things that were on the shelves, which was terrible. So I've put everything nice and neatly away and left out those products that I use on a regular basis. So that's really good, that it's given me a lot of space, and there's still space on the shelves, which I don't want to clutter. So I'm happy to keep it like that. At the bottom I've kept all of the heavy things and all of the big things and things that I don't really need to drag out all of the time. I managed to get some boxes on top of those little boxes there, and just my makeup bag on the side there, and that's just my daily. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. It looks a lot neater, and I didn't really like the neck curtains, so I just thought this looks pleasant, and it also, I don't need to cover it now, so I'm really happy with that. But I also want to show you some other products that I've bought from Amazon to help me with my organisation. Here is product number 1. So let me get this open. This is going to be a real, because I have a lot of things in a lot of different places, and this is just going to keep everything under one roof for me. So I can't wait to get this out and show you what it is. You might be able to guess now what this is. So yes, if you haven't already, this is a lovely an all-in-one jewellery box. So I have my jewellery in maybe, I don't know how many different types of places, 3 or 4 different kinds of little trinket little boxes, and I'm just like, you know, I'd rather prefer to have everything under one roof, and I know where I'm going for everything, instead of looking and going, oh yeah, it's not in this one, try the other one. So yeah, so I bought this and I like it. It's got different compartments, it's got various places for different things, like little holes for the earrings, and places you can put bracelets, different sections for necklaces, different compartments to put different things like rings, or you know, maybe larger earrings. So I just like having that kind of organisation, basically. Like, look at this one, you've got all these little containers. You can use those for earrings, and these could be your bracelets, your watches. So yeah, really happy with that. So let me quickly show you these side pockets. Really handy, and you can see the little hooks on the top there that you can hang your necklaces. So literally you've got, what, 7 there, and on the other side you have exactly the same. I just think that's really nice, because my necklaces are getting destroyed, they're getting tangled, and if you have that problem, these are nice, you can hang them now. And at the top here, which is lovely, you get this little mirror. You also have a key, so you can lock, so you can keep more precious things. There's your key, there's your lock. You can keep more precious jewellery in here. You've got a lot of little compartments here, so you can have some lovely earrings, maybe your specials can go in this compartment, rings in the front here. You've got these little bands, so you can put rings there, and you've also got little compartments under where you can put your earrings. So I've showed you that there, and then you have 4 little compartments as well at the back. So a lot of storage. But there you go, I'm just demonstrating the ring, but you can put a lot more in here. I think the capacity is really great, especially if you've got a lot of jewellery. I won't even fill this up, but to have it all under one roof. Here it is with all my jewellery in. So yeah, I'm so happy that I can now keep everything organised and easy for me to go in here now, and I don't have to keep searching and looking, so it saves a lot of time as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I can definitely leave a link down below for this jewellery box. I don't know if it does many colours. I've only seen this in the white. But yeah, if you check out the link, I'm sure if they do different colours, it should be on there. So yeah, so really happy with that. Now moving on to these little like suitcase boxes, with this beautiful white and blue florals. Yeah, I just think that they're lovely. You can keep little things in there, and they're also very decorative, and definitely in keeping with my room and my theme. I think I got these from eBay. Okay, so I didn't want to drill any more holes in the walls, so I bought these self-adhesive hooks. They come in a pack of 4, so I'm just going to be using 2, and I'm going to be using these to use for the tie backs for the curtains. And yeah, I think it did a great job. They're white, so it will blend in with the wall, and then it will just give that little bit of a gold touch, because I'm using gold for handles on the exteriors of the furniture. So yeah, and that worked pretty well. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please join me again for more videos, and please check out that description box down below for links to some great storage ideas from Amazon. So yeah, hope to see you all again in another video.